have learned? Yes, we have learned subtraction of properties of subtraction, isn't it? Yes, two properties we learned, isn't it? What is the property? The first one is if you subtract same number means what we will get? We will get 0, isn't it? For example, 75 minus 75 means how much we will get? We will get 0. Then the second property what? If you subtract 0 from a number, what we will get? We will get the same number itself, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about estimating difference. Understand? Actually in addition we learned estimating sums, isn't it? Yes, like there you add the value, here you are going to subtract the value. Okay, estimating difference, right? Okay, you know now actually nearest 100, nearest 10, nearest 1000, how to find nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, isn't it? Yes. Today here we are going to discuss about estimating difference nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000, right? Okay, fine. See that first one, estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest 10. Now we are going to discuss about nearest 10. Okay, yes. The first example is 7527 minus 653. Actually in addition you learn actual sum and estimated sum, isn't it? Like that here also we are going to calculate first actual difference and the estimated difference, right? Yes. How we are going to write? See here actual, see this is actual difference. Okay, 7527. Actually the nearest 10 means how to calculate nearest 10? Here 1's place 7, 10's place 2, isn't it? Then the two numbers 27. 27 nearest 10, how much it will come? It will come 30, isn't it? Because the number in between 20 to 30, the number is closer to 30. Above 25 means it is closer to 30, isn't it? So what is the nearest 10 value? 7530, isn't it? Yes. Here estimated difference that 7530. Okay. Next 653. 653. Yes. 653. See here the nearest 10. Here in 10's place 5. That means 53. 53 nearest to 10 means how much? The number is closer to 50 or 60. 50, isn't it? So what is the answer? Estimated value 650. 650. Now here you subtract separately. This is the estimated value. So subtract these two values. First subtract here subtraction. Subtract. This is the actual value, isn't it? Yes. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, how much it will come? 4, isn't it? Yes. 4. Next, 2 minus 5. It's possible to subtract. In top, that lower value is there. If it is lower value means what we have to do? We have to borrow from hundreds place, isn't it? Yes, borrow. If we borrow here means we will get 4, but here 12. Yes. Now we can subtract 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 how much? 7, isn't it? Yes. 7. Next. 4 minus 6. Is possible to subtract? No, because this is the lower value, isn't it? Yes. Next, what we have to do? We have to borrow from thousands place. That means here 6, but here 14. Then 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 how much? 8. 8. Then 6. So this is the actual value. Now we can check the estimated value. 0 minus 0. 0 only. Then 3 minus 5 is possible to subtract? No, we cannot subtract, isn't it? Then we have to borrow from hundreds place. Here 4, but here 13. Yes. 13 minus 5, how much it will come? 8. Yes. 8. Next, 4 minus 6 is possible? No. Then we have to borrow. If you borrow from here 6, but here 14. Then 14 minus 6 is how much? 8. Then here 6. See here the actual difference is 6,874. But the estimated difference is how much? 6,880. Do you understand? Yes, one more example. See the next example. Example 2. 2745 minus 482. Subtract these two values. Decide actual difference. Okay. Actual value is 2745. This estimated value. That means nearest to 10. Nearest to 10 means 45. 45 is closer to 50 or 40. It is closer to 50, isn't it? Yes. So 2750. 2750. That is the estimated value. Next, 482. 482, the nearest value is 82. Nearest value 82 is closer to 80 or 90. It is closer to 80. So 480. Now you have to subtract the value. Yes. First you subtract the actual difference. Sorry, actual value is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, how much will come? 3. Isn't it? Yes, 3. Next, 4 minus 8. No, we cannot subtract. So, you have to borrow. Here, if you borrow means 6 will come, but here 14. Then 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, how much? 6. Yes. Then 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, how much? 2. Then 2. This is the actual difference of these two numbers, isn't it? Okay, now estimated difference. Estimated difference, 0 minus 0. 0. Then 5 minus 8. No, we cannot subtract. Then we have to borrow from here. That means here 6. Here 15. Now 15 minus 8. How much? 7. Then 6 minus 4. 2. Then 2. Here the actual difference is 2263. Then the estimated difference how much? 2270. Do you understand? This is nearest 10. Next we are going to discuss about nearest 100. Okay? Yes, nearest 100. See, we estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Okay. So the first example, 9825 minus 7431. Yes, first estimate the actual difference first. Actual value is 9825. Here you have to write the estimated value. Estimated value here nearest to 100 means you have to take it 825. 825 is in the number in between 800 to 900, isn't it? Yes, the number is closer to 800 or 900. It is 800 only, isn't it? That means below 8500. So that means 9800. 9800. Okay. Then next 7431. So for 7431, the nearest 100 is how much? 431. 431 is closer to 400 or 500? Yes, 400, isn't it? So 7400. Now we are going to subtract. Yes, 5 minus 1, you know now. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 2 minus 3, no, we cannot subtract. To borrow, that means 12 here, 7 will be there. Then 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, how much? 9. Then 7 minus 4, 3. Then 9 minus 7, 2. This is the actual difference. Then the estimated difference, subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. That means here 2394, that is the actual difference. Then the estimated difference is 2400. Do you understand? This is the actual difference, that is estimated difference. That is the nearest 100. Nearest 100. One more example. See, this is the second example of nearest 100. Okay. Question 3348. 3348 nearest 100 is how much? 348. 348 nearest value is 300 or 400? 300, isn't it? So 3300. 3300. That is the nearest 100. Next, 1849 nearest value. 1849. This is the actual value. Estimated value 1840. That means 849 is nearest. It is closer to 800, isn't it? That means 1800. 1800. Now subtract the actual difference. 8 minus 9. No, we cannot subtract. Then you have to borrow. That means here 3, here 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Then 3 minus 4. No, we cannot subtract. Then borrow. That means 2, here 13. 13 minus 4. How much? 9. Then 2 minus 8. No, we cannot subtract. Then borrow. Here 2, here 12. 12 minus 8. How much it will come? 4. Yes. Then 2 minus 1, 1. 1499 actual difference. Next, estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. Then 3 minus 8. No, not possible. Then we have to borrow. Here it will come 13. Then 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 5. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Yes, see the nearest, actual difference is 1499. But the estimated difference is 1500. Do you understand? This is the value. This is estimated nearest to 100. Next we are going to discuss about nearest 1000. Okay, nearest 1000. Estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest 1000. See the first example. 45,205 minus 21,480. See 45,000 actual difference. 45,205. This is the actual value. So here you are going to find nearest 1000. Okay, nearest 1000 means ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1000 place you have to change it. So 1000 means 5,205. 5,205 is closer to 5,000 or 6,000. It is 5,000 only. So the estimated value is 45,000. 45,000, right? Yes. Next, 21,480. See here 1,480. 1,480 is closer to 1,000 or 2,000. It will come 1,000 because 1,500 below 1,500, 1,480 is. So the value, estimated value is 21,000. It will come. Yes, 21,000. Subtract first, actual difference. 5 minus 0, 5. Yes, 5 minus 0, 5 only. Next, 0 minus 8. No, we cannot subtract. We are going to borrow. Here 1, here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Then 1 minus 4. No, we cannot subtract. We are going to borrow. Here 4 will come, but here 11. Yes. 11 minus 4. How much? 11 minus 4, 7. Yes. Next, 4 minus 1, 3. Then 4 minus 2, 2. This is the actual difference. Next, we are going to calculate the estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Actual difference is 23,725. Then estimated difference is 24,000. You understand? The nearest 1,000. How to estimate the value? Do you understand? Yes. One more example. See example 2. 95,802 minus 64,218. First, 95,802. This is the actual value. Estimated value nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000 means 5,802. 5,802 is closer to 5,000 or 6,000. Yes, 6,000 because this number is more than 5,500. That means it is closer to 6,000. Okay, that means 96,000. 95,802 is estimated value is 96,000. Then 64,218. See here 4,218. The number is closer to 4,000 or 5,000. It is 4,000 only. So how much? 64,000. Yes. Now I have to subtract. Subtract. 2 minus 8. We cannot subtract, isn't it? We have to borrow from here. Here 0. Then we have to borrow from here. That means it will come here 10. From here we are going to take 110. Balance here 9. But here 12. Then 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 9 minus 1. 8. Then 7 minus 2, 5. Then 5 minus 4, 1. Then 9 minus 6, 3. 31,584. Next, estimated difference. You can see estimated value 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 4, how much? 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 31,584. Estimated difference is how much? 32,000. Do you understand now? Yes. Next, we are going to discuss about the story sum. Okay. Actually, you know now how to find the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1,000. In real life, how we are going to use? Just check here the story sum. For the annual day of a school, there were 3,282 spectators. Out of them, 1,719 were participating students, and the rest were the parents of the participants. Estimate the number of parents. Do you understand the question? The annual day, how many spectators are participating? 3,282. But out of them, 1,719 were participating students. And the rest were the parents. So, remaining of parents, we are going to calculate how many parents are participating. Do you understand the question? Yes. Actually, first, we have to write this total number of participants. Total number of spectators. Okay. Here, total number of spectators. How much? 3,282. Here we are going to estimate the value. Actually, here 4-digit number, that means ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So 3,285, you have to make it change the value. That means nearest 1,000 you have to calculate. Okay, nearest 1,000 means how much it will come? 3,282. Nearest 1,000, 3,282 is closer to 3. So 3,000 or 4,000, it will come 3,000, isn't it? Yes, the nearest value is 3,000. Next, next what we have to do, write. Out of the 1719 were participating students. So number of students, how many students are participating? So how many? 1719. That estimated value is how much? 1000. Nearest to 1000 is 1719. Nearest to 1000 is how much? 2000. The number it is closer to 2000, isn't it? Yes. It is 2000. We want to calculate here the estimate number of parents. Okay. So next what we have to do? We have to subtract. Subtract here 0 minus 0, 0. 0, 3 minus 2, 1. So, how many parents are participating? There were how many parents are participating? Answer is 1000 parents. Rest of them, how much? Thousands. Do you understand? Yes, I hope you understand this concept. What you are going to do? That homework exercise, page number 42, exercise 2.7. Then yes, exercise 2.7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth question is story problem. Okay. Please try to complete this homework exercise. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.